The world today is facing new challenges that we have never seen before. This adversity could lead to life-changing situations, leaving a significant socio-economic impact. Sustainability isn't a choice anymore, but an utmost necessity. Moving better is the first step towards a healthier and safer tomorrow. It's time to switch. Introducing the next generation leader in urban mobility. Switch Mobility. We have already started making a difference. We are technologically driven. All our vehicles are embedded with proprietary connected vehicle solutions. We are sustainable and affordable. We're already carbon neutral. We are on a journey of democratizing zero carbon mobility and enriching lives with green energy. We drive with a mission to create cleaner, smarter, and connected cities. The future is here. It starts now. Together, let's move better.